Today we are going to see a story of the boy who boasted. The boy name is Johnny. Because of boasting, his head was so big. So he go in a truck to his school every day. His class was in higher section. So to go to his class, he'll go in a crane. See, you can. He will keep on boasting. So his head become big. So he's going in the crane to his class. I think you can understand this. He'll be keep on boasting like my dad is a cinema star and I'm going to America. The American president said I'm to go to moon visit on coming June, and my computer is so bigger than you all see. Like that he will keep on boasting and boasting. All his friends hate him so much. He'll be keep on boasting. This is their school ground, playground, football coach. All his friends hate him and say him chatterbox, and they go inside their leave them and go inside their school. See how beautiful. One day, because of boasting, his head became so big and big, but his brain didn't go. Because of the strong and force air, he flew away. See? Even though he was flying, he was keep on boasting and boasting. Boasting and keep on boasting. All his friends saw him and laughed at him. All the people also saw them, and he came in newspapers and TV channels. And he was keep on boasting and flying. One day, by flying, he went somewhere else. And he is only seenable in stethoscope. Bye. Thank you.